Noor, you just got off the train at King's Cross Station in London. You need to find the British Museum. There's a local walking past. Go!
Wait, what? الحين؟ بس أنا I don't know.
He's walking away. Quick, before you lose him.
يا ربي. Hello sir. Where is museum? British Museum.
Ooh, that sounded very direct, almost demanding. How do you think he felt?
خلاص, I scared him. هو طلع يجري. This is why أنا أخاف أتكلم English.
Exactly. You sounded like you were giving him orders instead of asking politely for help.
بس أنا قلت hello. That's polite.
Hello is polite, but then you went straight to, where is museum? That's like ordering food without saying please.
Okay, فهمت. So what should I say?
In English, we have layers of politeness. First, you get their attention gently. Excuse me.
Excuse me. زي لو سمحت بالعربي?
Exactly. Then you ask for help. How do I get to, instead of demanding where is?
How do I get to... ليش مو where is? Same meaning.
Think about it. Where is sounds like you're testing them. How do I get to shows you need their help to reach somewhere.
Like أنا محتاجة مساعدة. Not أنا أختبرك.
Perfect. So the magic phrase is, excuse me, how do I get to, and then you add the place.
Excuse me, how do I get to the British Museum?
Beautiful. Did you hear how much softer that sounded?
نعم, كان أحسن بكثير. But excuse me is like آسفة?
Not exactly sorry. Excuse me is more like gently tapping someone on the shoulder, getting their attention politely.
زي لما أقول لو سمحت قبل ما أسأل السؤال.
Exactly. Now try it again, but this time you're looking for Covent Garden.
Excuse me, how do I get to Covent Garden?
Excellent. Notice how your voice sounds more confident when you know exactly what to say?
إيه والله, بس ليش get to? ليش مو go to?
Great question. Go to is what you do. Get to includes the journey, how to arrive there.
فهمت. Get to means الطريق كله, not just direction.
Exactly. When you say, how do I get to, you're asking for the complete path, maybe including bus numbers, walking time, everything.
Smart. بس لو أنا في الcar, still get to?
Yes. Whether you're walking, driving, or taking public transport, how do I get to works for everything.
حلو. So universal phrase. بس what if أنا مو متأكدة من pronunciation of the place?
Just do your best. Most locals will understand, and they might even correct you kindly. The important thing is being polite first.
Okay, خلاص يلا.
Perfect. Let's do 3 real situations. First, you're outside Camden Market, but you need to catch a flight from Heathrow Airport. There's a taxi driver right there.
يا ربي, Heathrow? That's far. أنا nervous.
You've got this. Remember your magic phrase.
Excuse me, how do I get to Heathrow Airport?
Heathrow? That'll be about £45, love. Jump in.
Wow, he was so nice. ما صار شيء scary.
See, when you're polite, people want to help you. Second scenario. You're walking around Westminster looking for Big Ben and you see a police officer.
Police. أنا أحب أسأل police. They know everything.
Go for it.
Excuse me, how do I get to Big Ben?
Just round the corner. See that tall tower? That's Big Ben right there.
Haha, كان قريب جدا. Sometimes we make things أصعب من اللازم.
Exactly. And notice how confident you sounded that time.
نعم, because أنا أعرف exactly what to say.
Final scenario. You're in Shoreditch, it's getting dark, and you really need to find Liverpool Street Station. There's a young couple walking by.
Dark, I'm lost. This is scary situation.
But you have the power phrase. Use it with confidence.
Excuse me, how do I get to Liverpool Street Station?
Oh, you're actually quite close. Just follow this road for about 10 minutes and you'll see the station entrance on your left.
الحمد لله. Even في dark situation, people help me. أنا فخورة بنفسي.
You should be proud. Look how far you've come from that first panicked attempt at King's Cross.
صحيح. في البداية كنت أقول Where is museum؟ زي روبوت. والحين I can ask properly.
And the best part? This phrase works everywhere. Dubai, Cairo, New York, anywhere you travel.
يالا حتى في دبي أقدر أستخدمها with tourists.
Absolutely. Now, one final test. You're back at Heathrow, but this time you need to find Terminal 5. Show me your confidence.
Easy. Excuse me, how do I get to Terminal 5?
Perfect. Listen to that confidence. You went from freezing in panic to sounding like a natural traveler.
والله صحيح. أنا مو خايفة anymore. This phrase هو game changer.
You know what's funny? Tomorrow we're going to learn what to do when someone gives you directions, but you don't understand them.
Haha, sometimes they talk too fast. أو they say complicated words.
Exactly. So tomorrow we'll learn how to politely say you don't understand without looking confused or embarrassed.
Perfect. أنا متحمسة. And for everyone watching, في التعليقات, tell us, what's the most awkward time تهتم when you are lost?
Yes, share your lost tourist stories. And remember, excuse me, how do I get to will save you in any city, anywhere in the world.
يلا, see you tomorrow. أنا excited to learn more.